The fight within. I grew up fighting and I havenae stoaped. I've maybe calmed down but no as much as I'd hoped. Don't know how I might be so angry. I don't know how I lose it so fast. I'm trying to control this rage inside, but I've no idea how long I can last. Sometimes I feel it building inside. Sometimes it comes on in a flash. Sometimes I just want to shout and scream. Sometimes I just let my fist smash. 'Cause counting to 10 doesn't cut it. My blood boils and a darkness descends. I need to use all my strength to subdue it. And either way I don't like how it ends. I might shake, tremble, get watery eyed. I feel that makes me look weak. But all my focus is trying hard not to lash out. I'm unable to turn the earth cheek. Drummed into me fae I was wee. Hit first and ask questions later. And this is me now. No much has changed. Still angry, still wee, still caither. The fight within.